Math Plus, where math makes sense. In today's video, we will divide decimals with models, and this is a your turn video where you get to practice. I will give you 5 different equations where you get to divide decimals with models. You will look at the equation, turn off the video, solve it, and then come back and see the answer. If you did not watch the lesson video, you can see the link above on the right-hand corner where that red arrow is. It's called Divide Decimals with Models. Go through the lesson video and then come back and do some practice problems with me. Our first equation is 6/10 divided by 6/100. Turn off the video and work it out. The first thing you need to do is color in only 6/10. Each column is a tenth. So we're going to do 6 of these, and then we're going to divide it out in 6/100 and see how many that we get. Now, when I look at this, I can see that right here are 6/100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 1 right there. So each one of these rows going across is 6/100, right? 6 little squares, units. I could color each one of these a different color. I'm going to do them all the same because they're just going across. And I bet by now you can guess there's 10 because we know up and down each column has 10 squares. So the answer to this equation is 10. We'll do that in black. See how each row going across has 6/100, and there's 10 of them. And you can count them, make sure I'm right. 9/10 divided by 3/10. So we're working with all tenths. Turn off the video, solve it, and come back. This time I'm going to color in 9/10, and I'm doing them light because this is what I'm dividing. Only the gray shaded in area. We're not doing the whole 100. We're only doing 9/100. So 9/10. I apologize for that. 90/100 or 9/10. Since we're dividing by 3/10, we'll just divide by tenths, right? So we have 9/10. 9 rows going up and down, or columns, and we're going to break those up into sections of 3 because this time we do want to see how each set of 3/10. How many sets are we going to get? There's 1, 3 more here, 2 sets. We can still get more, and 3 sets. So 9/10 divided by 3/10 equals 3. 1 4/10 divided by 2/10. As you can see here, I drew a dark line. We have 1 represented as a 1 whole, and then 4/10 grayed in on the second model. So we're only using 1 whole and 4/10, and then we're going to divide all of that into 2/10, sections of 2/10, and see how many of them that we get. All right, I'm just going to start coloring in 2/10 at a time. Here's our 4th one. You can also draw these out with graph paper and then make some copies of them. But the important thing is there's 100 units in each one of these squares. Now I can start using the same color again. I just want you to see how many sets there are. Some of you already got this figured out, don't you? Because we showed you the shortcut. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So again, 14 divided by 2 is 7. We just don't know where to put those decimals when we do the algorithm method, but you can see how this works. Perfect division. This one is 2 wholes. So we're going to color, we don't need to color them because we're going to use the whole 2 models, and we're going to divide it out by 4. Do that and then come back. Now, if you want to go the fast way, we can do something like this. We can just outline it, okay? And we're going to just do 4 across and then go around. All of that's colored in. Now, this one is 4, but you're going to go into that second model. And that's okay. It doesn't have to be all together. And I think you can see. And last but not least, we want to block out the last set of 4. So let's go ahead and count how many sets there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 2 divided by 0.4 equals 5. This is our last one, 80 hundredths divided by 40 hundredths. Turn off the video, work it out, and come back. On this one, notice I went ahead and shaded in 80 hundredths, which is the same as 88 tenths, okay? But I went ahead and put the hundredths there to make sure you knew that they were the same. And now I'm going to find out how many sets of 40 hundredths or 4 tenths. It's the same amount. Remember, each row has 10. 10 times 4 is 40, so 40 hundredths is the same as 4 tenths. We'll color those in. And we'll do 4 more. And that takes care of all 80 hundredths. So we have 2 sets. And the answer to that is 2. Be sure to go into the description of the video, and there's more practice. There's a practice sheet there that you can go ahead and click that link and practice doing this on your own.